Hey guys, welcome to another hair wash day. In case you are new here, hi, my name is Naomi, and in case you are not new here, you're welcome back to this channel. And if you have not watched my previous video on how you can wash your natural hair, girl, you are missing a whole lot. You need to see that video. Today is episode 3 on how I wash my natural hair. So that's basically what we'll be doing today. I know right now I look crazy, my hair is looking rough, but don't worry, we are going to attend to it shortly. My hair is natural hair. I've not put relaxer on it yet, so it's natural, which is known as the virgin hair. So guys, without further ado, let's just head into the bathroom so we can look pretty and stop looking like a homeless girl. So guys, my hair is not that dirty because I washed it 2 weeks ago. And before I start washing my hair, I need to comb my hair very well with my comb. Reason for this is because I want any product I'll be using on my hair to be easily applied without stress. So after this, I will pour water in my head. And guys, ensure when you are putting water in your hair, let the water saturated in all parts of your hair, like the back, the front, the side. Everywhere needs to be saturated with water very well, because if it is not saturated with water, it will not be easy for you to wash. Next, I will go in with my shampoo to wash my hair, and any shampoo you are going to use to wash your hair, you need to use it properly to wash your hair very well, because one thing about shampoo is that it helps to remove dirt from your hair, and I'm a kind of person I like double shampooing my hair. So this is the first one I'll be using to wash my hair. And when you're washing your hair, you need to wash and scrub your scalp very well. When you are doing this process, you need to be careful so that you should not injure your scalp, but you need to wash your scalp very well from the back, from the side, from the front, from anywhere of your hair very well. And you need to scrub properly. And when you are done scrubbing, the next thing for you to do is just for you to take your hand shower or anything at all to rinse off the shampoo from your hair. And guys, I was using this hand shower, it was not fast. I have to switch to this particular rubber to pour water on my hair. Next, I'll go in the second shampoo, and this is from Garnier. This product is really soft and lightweighted. I love the scent. It has a very nice flavor when you're using it. The reason why I like using 2 shampoos to wash my hair is that I believe that the first shampoo removed the dirt but not properly clean, so I need to go in with another shampoo. So that's why I like double shampooing washing my hair when I want to wash my hair. So you need to try this if you have not tried it before. It's really good and it will help you a lot. Now I'm just massaging my hair with the product on it, and after that I'm going to wash up, just as you can see from this video. Next, I'll go in with my conditioner, and this is also from XHC product as well. Their product, like I said, they are really nice and they are really good. So I will use it to massage my scalp very well, and I'll also use it to massage every part of my hair. And also when I'm done, I need to scrub it, just as you can see me do in this video. Scrubbing is really good because it helps you a whole lot in your hair wash journey. And like I said, when you are doing this process, you need to be very careful so that you should not get yourself hurt during the process of washing your hair. When I'm done washing off the product from my hair, the next thing for me to do is just to comb my hair. I like combing my hair because it makes everything easier for me to do. Then I will go in with this methylated hair conditioner. And guys, this hair conditioner is really nice and it's really good on your hair, mostly when you are battling with dandruff on your hair. I have dandruff, so that is why I use this product. You apply the amount you want on your hair, then you use it to massage your scalp and start scrubbing it with your nails or with your finger, anyone You need to scrub it properly, the back, the side, the front, everywhere, so that everything will look good and will absorb inside very well. And guys, this product hot, like it's pepperish. If you know you don't have mine, don't use it. You can see the way it's hot. I just have to bear because I know what I want. Then after that, you leave it for some minutes, then you wash it off your hair.